Hello folks, so today we find a nice little spot in Port St Lucie, R&S Patties. Come with us now, make we check it out. I hear say Wednesday them have stew peas. Yeah man. It's Wednesday.
Hi. I'm good. Where am I?
You're at R&S Patties in Port St Lucie.
And they sell the best what?
Patties!
Patties! Not a mistake.
Like white rice and peas. Peas in the world.
So, no bag.
No bad? Okay.
This is the curry chicken patty. So as a curry chicken patty lover and connoisseur, I was too excited to try it. Yeah, one, I wanted to know if it really had chunks of chicken or just mush. And at the initial bite, I definitely tasted great curry chicken flavor. And as you can see, it has actual curry chicken pieces inside of the patty. So I was most excited.
Well, me like the patty too, you know. The only thing I wish it was a little bit bigger, don't it? Because, yeah, it look a little bit littleish. Could have bigger. I'm not tell no lie.
Jizam. No, sir. We passes the color test.
And the veggie test.
And the veggie test.
The veggie actually look pretty.
I actually have enough meat. It could have, you know, one more gravy. This stew peas pass. Why? It's not overly salty, which is always a big, you know, atrocity that Jamaican restaurants commit. Perfectly seasoned. I'm pleased with the amount of meat that they give, and the types of meat that they give. First of all, pig's tail, chicken foot, which I love. Not everybody love it, but I love chicken foot.
You have to say love.
And oxtail. Who does that? Who put oxtail in a stew peas to sell people nowadays?
Oh, the price.
Price is reasonable.
Price is reasonable.
Very comparable. Very competitive. $15.
And then don't have large, them of one size.
One size. Take it or leave it. Your turn.
All right. So the rice look a bit, you know, softish, but it's all right. Stew peas is stew peas in. It's giving me home cooked vibes. Me can taste one of your big steel, mom.
Really?
Big steel cooked nice. And it cook right where the salt for come out, but not really come out.
Right.
Remember them?
Yeah. Enough come out and enough for you back. Yeah.
Me to buy this again.
Let's go back right now.
Me to buy this again.
Let's go.
So guys, if you're ever in the Port St Lucie area, remember to check out R&S Patties. It's called A Taste of Jamaica. And they're conveniently located at 1909 South Macedo Boulevard in Port St Lucie. They only cook one dish per day. Yes, each day is one separate dish. But on Wednesday, you might get a mystery dish. For now, yeah. But their patties are great. All different type of patty. Check them out and make them know say Yardie Belly TV Sendtohope. That's R&S Patties in Port St Lucie. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV. We're out there, man. We're in your city, and we'll make sure it's on to hear everything.